What's up, my YouTube fam? I'm back. This is Larry with the best credit repair channel. Today, we're going to be talking about 3 credit cards that you could get pre-approved for, which is a great way to know how much you can get pre-approved for before you actually apply for the card. Side note, just understand that just because you're pre-approved, it's not automatic, because they will pull your full credit report. But in most cases, if you get pre-approved, you're going to get the card. But the great thing about pre-approvals is understanding how much they're going to pre-approve you for before you even apply. So you have the ability, if you want to just turn it down, say, I don't want $1,000. That's all they're going to give me. I'm not even going to waste an inquiry on that. So it gives you an opportunity to understand what you want to do before. Another side note tip. You're married or you got 2 significant people living together. When you apply for these cards, use both household income. You don't just have to use yours, because it's coming into that household. You can use both income. So if your wife make $100,000 and you make $100,000, that's $200,000, which gives you the ability to get bigger credit limit, because you have a greater ability to pay it back. If your boyfriend, girlfriend, use both of them. Use both of those income, because they both are coming to the same household. Just a side tip when you're doing, don't be scared to use both people's income. But again, I always want to say this before I start on my classes. I want to thank all my new subscribers. Please like, subscribe, and share the channel. Hit the thumbs up. Please hit the bell for future videos that I put out, because I'm doing 3 today. I'm doing 3 more tomorrow, pre-approvals, and 3 more the next day. So I'm gonna be hitting you with these pre-approval cards, so stay tuned. They're coming at you. So let's get into it. So the first card we want to talk about is upgrade. I have 2 upgrade cards, right? But the 2 I have, they no longer offer. I have a triple cash reward, and then I have just a basic upgrade card. But let's talk about the upgrade cards that they do have. The nice thing about upgrade, you can get up to $25,000 on your cards. There's no annual fees. The APR is anywhere from 14.99 to 29.99. The other thing you need to understand about these upgrade cards, they are not traditional credit cards. They're more on the lines of a line of credit. So the way interest is applied is different than a traditional credit card. So the upgrade card, once you take that money out, the interest is starting to hit that account, versus a traditional credit card. The interest doesn't hit until the statement date, and whatever's left on the balance is what they charge interest to. So they are different. Even though the upgrade says a Visa card, it is, and you can use it as a Visa, it is not a traditional Visa card. And the way they apply interest is differently than a traditional card. But let's talk about the first upgrade card. It's an upgrade cash reward card. Unlimited 1.5% cash back reward on every purchase. If you open up a rewards checking account and you have 3 transactions, you will be able to get a $200 bonus on that, in that account. No annual fees, and again, a credit line from as low as $500 to $25,000. The next card they have is an upgrade 1 card. Get up to 3% cash back on every purchase, and up to 2% on all other purchases. You control how you pay back. You can do a pay now, where you don't have no interest, or you can do pay later. Well, then there's going to be interest applied, but it may give you extra spending power. So, and there's no annual fee on that card. The next card is a upgrade life reward card, and this is a card that you're going to pay the balance in full, right? That's what this card. Upgrade cards, good cards. Just understand the pros and cons of the cards, and the interest is the most con about it. The pros, no annual fees, and you can get a credit limit up to $25,000. The next card we're going to talk about is the Care Credit Card. Now, this credit card is designed for dental work, cosmetic work, veterinarian service, LASIK surgery, and then, if there's something in the hospital, you have some procedures done in the hospital, they'll be able to cover that. They also have up to 260,000 locations that you can use the card at. So there's a lot of locations that you can use it. Just if you go, just inquire, would y'all take a care credit card? The nice thing about it is 0 interest during the promotional period. So the promotional period could be 6 months up to 24 months. So say you got a 24-month promotional period at 0 interest, you just have to have the card paid back in those 24 months. If you don't, they go all the way back to the date of you open that card and you swipe that card, and the remaining balance that you have, and charge you interest all the way up. So be careful if you don't pay it off in that promotional period. There could be a lot of interest tacked on based on the balance that's left on the card. No annual fees, and the card is financed through Synchrony Bank, which is they pull TransUnion. I did not say it, I forgot to tell you that Upgrade also pulls from TransUnion. The next card we're going to be talking about is Patelco. All right, this is a credit union, and you have to be a member. But this card is for the my people out in California. But it can be anybody can join. But let's say if you lived in Bakersfield, Eureka, or McKinleyville, you can join. You can get this card. Or if you live in one of the 16 counties in California, you could join this credit union. I said this this credit union. If you attend school at the University of California, San Francisco State University, California State University, East Bay, you can join this credit union. If you have a family member that is a member of the credit union, you can join this credit union. But if none of that is applied to you, you can still join if you join the Financial Fitness Association for a small fee. And the nice thing, Patelco will pay that for the first 12 months after you pay that fee. So they're basically going to reimburse you. So let's talk about some of the cards that Patelco have. They have a pure MasterCard, no annual fees, APR as low as 11.75. You can get up to $50,000 on this card. And again, this is a pre-approval card. The next card is a Point Rewards MasterCard. 2x points on every 2 points on every $1 at gas and groceries purchases, and 1 point on all other purchases. Right? There is an introduction bonus, 20,000 points worth $200 when you spend up to $1,500 in the first 3 months. Then the last card is a Progress Student Rewards cards. APR, this is a secure card, so APR says that 11.45 and with no annual fees and a credit limit up to $10,000. So those are the cards today. I'm gonna come back with 3 more cards tomorrow. 3 quick cards that you can go in and go through the approval process. See if you can get approved for these cards to help you build your credit. Tomorrow I'll be back with 3 more cards for that building process and for you to get these pre-approvals so you can build your credit and at least know what kind of credit limit they're going to give you and if you want to accept that credit limit or not. But that's what it is. Y'all notice I got my franchise shirt on today. For y'all see, yes, I did buy a franchise. I got my franchise shirt on today. But anyway, I'm still going to be bringing y'all content. So, hey, I appreciate y'all. Please like and subscribe, and I'm out.